for the population, inhabitants in islands that can be cut off and isolated. This phenomena was observed in Second World War. Supply chains were affected, causing disruption of manufacturing and making it is necessary to ration day-to-day necessities. The Cold War saw the risk of disruption increasing, threat to the free flow of oil, causing prices increases. This was followed by the collapse of USSR and proliferation of submarine capabilities. The outcome has been the emergence of the submarine warfare as an element of strategic warfare with a high level of uncertainty, account of ability to submarine forces to avoid detection and submerge. The acquisition of nuclear propulsion and ballistic missile capabilities has created missile launching platforms that can remain hidden underwater while moving very fast. The method which I was used to analyze the type of submarines and number of submarines of each type of submarines developed by the nations surrounding the Indian Ocean, and then to analyze the capabilities of each type of submarines developed by the nation of the surrounding Indian Ocean region, as well as the relationship overall capabilities and activities that they have developed, and the observed movement of the submarine forces in the Indian Ocean region to understand the geostrategic imbalances. So analysis, what I found, there are 4 main types of submarines were deployed, that diesel electric attack submarine, SS and SSKs, nuclear powered submarine, SSN, and guided missile submarines, SSGN, and ballistic missile submarine, SSBN. So when it's come to the Indian Ocean region, there are 36 countries into the counts, and out of 36 countries, 10 countries having submarine capabilities. Out of that, India having 2 SSBN and 22 SSKs, Iran having 10 SSKs, and Australia, Singapore having 6 SSKs, and Pakistan, Israel, they got 5 SSK, and Egypt, 4 SSK, South Africa, 3 SSK, and Indonesia, Malaysia, they got 2 SSKs. So I do made a trend analysis in global level. When it's come to the global level SSK positive trend I found, and when it's come to the SSBN in global level, there was a negative trend. At the same time, I did compare with the Chinese capabilities, how it's going on, that there was a positive trend in Chinese SSK and SSN. So that is what the findings. So recommendation and conclusion. In the event of an outbreak of hostilities, supply chains will be severely disrupted and large number of ships will be lost along with their crew and cargo. An exchange of ICBMs will cause extensive suffering, death and destructions, high level of dynamic nuclear pollutions of the atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and the biosphere of the region. Civilization disruption and collapse may occur various extents. It is therefore recommended that globally support Indian Ocean Treaty Organization be generated in order to guarantee the security of movement of raw materials, goods and services through the choke points in Indian Ocean, so that individual nation states do not have to invest scarce resources in maritime security, while at the same time enjoying the guarantees that their supply chains will remain active and uninterrupted. So Indian Ocean Treaty Organization will make sure consensus among its member states in relation to the acceptance of all existing provisions of law governing maritime movements, and in addition to set out protocol governing the movement of submarine crafts and nuclear armament in Indian Ocean, while along monitoring measures. It is recommended that the government of Sri Lanka, on an account of strategic vulnerability and development potential of the island, initiate a consultative process among the all nation states using the Indian Ocean for the movement of raw materials, goods and services through the Indian Ocean towards the generation of such at Indian Ocean Treaty Organization. Thank you.